day 2 in my life. I don't know what happened yesterday, but we're here now. I'm gonna go shower because what is this? Goodbye.
Baby girl. Baby girl.
Hi besties! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to day 2 in my life. I look much more better than I did. And spend the day with me at home. So today I'm gonna be chilling at home. You know, like there's nothing important. I just know I love my mic, that I bought with my own money. And today I'm cooking dinner, so let's just check out down what we're gonna cook. I mean, I know what I'm gonna cook, but like y'all just stay tuned, because why not? It's so cold in here. I mean, what else did I expect? Let's see. No. Okay. I don't know, I need it. We're gonna make ribs later on though, like, you know. So yeah. We're gonna make ribs. How you guys doing? How you guys chilling? How you guys good? I'm so sorry if you guys can't hear me. I also miss my mic, man. But I guess we have another one. I'm gonna put that too, obviously. Defrost. Defrost. What am I eating for breakfast? I have an idea in mind. I just hope it works. I'm gonna make ramen noodles. Okay? Just.
Yes, all you gotta do is say yes. Anything about what you feel, baby, I dress you. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know.
Okay, we're gonna go to the fridge and get some. Okay, there's no milk in the fridge, so I'm just gonna get some cheese. I think cheese is finished. There's no basic cheese. Like I like cheddar cheese or something like that, because they slap more with cheddar cheese. But it's okay, we can still work with these. We need two, because why not?
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all the time me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Pretty, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me.
Let me give you guys a life update. Life has been okay. Just a lot. We're taking it like a bit by bit. And I'm just a girl, man. Of course, life is gonna be a bit difficult sometimes. Dealing with a lot. Girls drama. And many more, you know? I mean, this one loves me though. And I love it too, so. Guys, chat is that room is very dark. The kitchen, not that room. The kitchen is very dark, so it makes me a bit darker. But it's okay. If you know me, you know me. And if you don't, that's on you. But thank you that you still like watching me have nonsense. I mean, it's not nonsense really, but like, you get what I'm saying. And I think I told you guys that yesterday I finished watching Le Khan Lawyer, which was Friday the 3rd. Yes. I know my date. I know. I'm so proud. That's what I get for being an accounting student. An accounting student. But okay, let's go check my ports and let's see how we're going. But to be honest, I just feel like in life, live for you, don't live for other people. Do everything for yourself and stay focused and motivated. And you're here because you're here for a purpose, okay? Because God says, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. So that's my favorite scripture though. I always keep it in here because sometimes I feel like, why are you doing this to me, Lord? Oh, I want this. And I'm like, but he said. So yes, I'm so sad that I lost my mic. But let's go. The sun is so hot. Hot, mate. Oh, do you guys see them? The ball, the piece of ball. Cool, right? I know. I also think this is cool. Very cool. Let's go, Bobby. Let's go party. Did I do it like an OOTD? I'm not wearing shoes today, so you guys better stay focused.
To be a piety, now up on stage with credit, say I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring, like, hello, brother, say, I just saw them, saw you post, keep burning, yes, that's the motto, if you need about the pass through your soul, to your heart, and I'll live, man, me up with that God, for the dirty, the burning, the dust, to the plus, my gratitude is a must, yeah, me see blessings fall, I'm them. But I thought to the friends get the cup below what time sit down in a class so important. All this in the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And say me fi tell you I'm sorry. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm here giving the top to me. I'm in the light. You know some passion ignited. But the music get me excited. I'm coming like a push. Blessings all for my life.
So like I ate and the food was good, and I ate and I was live on TikTok. Don't forget to follow my TikTok account. And I'm gonna take a nap here because I feel so tired, and I'm gonna come back later. Well, because it's currently 3:45. I'm gonna take a nap for an hour, and I'm gonna cook dinner. You guys are gonna cook dinner with me. Okay, so stay tuned and stay focused. Guys, let me tell you guys a minute at a time now. All my days, like, friends will leave you in the dark without water. In the desert. What am I saying, in the dark? Friends will leave you in the desert without water. So you guys must be careful out there. And I'm a fake friend, so thank you for watching me. Guys, I'm joking. Get my lunch. I need to fix this eye because I don't know what happened to the side, but I have to fix it. So we're gonna fix it later. We're gonna fix it later. And then the side, it's fine. Nap time. I like the sun here, man, because I'm like and thing is, if I was to the whole thing, people are gonna be like, "Kopa, we English, kopa." I badly English. Get here. But then yeah, bye bye. I'll see you all in a minute. Nap time. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys or sugarcoat anything. I did not sleep. I made TikToks and now it's 5 o'clock. I need to go cook. And my phone is on life support because my charger is very slow. So you guys better buy me a charger. Please. Respectfully so. Joking, let's go cook. Let's go. But my phone is on life support. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But firstly, we have to go close my curtains upstairs. And then we're gonna start cooking. Are you guys excited? Because I am so excited to cook with you guys. See, you guys can see that I know how to cook. Before you guys can say, she doesn't know how to cook. She doesn't know how to cook. Because I know how to cook. I know how to cook certain things. I don't know how to cook everything. Look at the view. Pretty girls, pretty girls, pretty girls, pretty girls. After all, computers crash, relationship falls apart. I like that song. It's from 2020 December. Yeah. 2024 December. When I had my favorite braids on. I love those braids, hey? And I don't know why I don't go back to blonde, because blonde is such a nice color, you know that. When it comes to thingy, to braids, blonde is such... Okay. What am I doing? Okay. It's dark. Okay. Dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign. Okay, let's check my weight. Yes, if you guess it right, I'm gonna give you a kiss. Also, tatty kiss. I weigh 56. Yeah, 56. That's fine for my weight because I'm such yeah, I'm that girl. I'm joking. Now we're gonna close my room because we have to, and it's 5 o'clock and it's winter, so like of course today I need to study. Okay, I get it, it's Sunday and stuff, but like I still need to study and stuff, you know. So let's go cook. Finally done. Okay, I'll close video later. First of all, we need this. We need our ribs. Let's go fetch a sizzle. Sizzle mate. That's me. I can stay home the whole entire day. Like, I don't understand people that don't stay at home the whole entire day. They're always outside. You need to stay home. And by the way, that I do the whole entire week, by the way. Just so long. This is cold. This is cold. I mean, it was frozen. $. Wait, I think this is just for people that Jesus left. Left what? Oh, ribs. Okay. Yeah, too much. This is go. I just need those. Okay. I think that's it. Ooh. It's cold, by the way. How many minutes? Let me see. Let me Google how many minutes.
Wait, I'm separated. I'm gonna do a timer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna do 10 minutes. And let's see how that goes.
Wait, fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still.
Check, the 10 minutes is over. What? We're still getting there though. I think we need another timer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think we need another 10 minutes. They broke up with her, man. Boys are not good people. Okay, girlies, take note. I'm liking you guys with nice movies, man.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down.
I think we're getting somewhere. Okay, I'm done. Let me see. Let me do this. Okay. We're getting somewhere.
And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit, say I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll give you soon, give you higher ring like hello, brother. Say post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. You're falling on the man. Me have to talk back for the dirty, the burning, so just do the plus. My gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall from my hand. But I toast to the friends with the cup. The road was time, sit down in a class, so important.
I think I am done cooking for tonight. I'm joking. I'm gonna make fries but later on. Yeah, they fine.
I said, coming like a post. Blessings all coming like one. But I'm good for the journey.
I'll come back when I eat because I still need to make fries. I just need that for auntie, and I'm just gonna keep watching my lovely movie. There's a lot happening here, like booking gone wrong. Just watch it. Watch it. Today is just next for schedule by my father, but not. Okay, let me watch this movie. Okay, so it's so cold in here, so I had to get a hoodie, just to. And I'm home anyway, so there's nothing important. But yeah, I'm still watching my very nice movie. Let's get back to it. I'm gonna continue with my movie. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification button for next time when I drop. I love you guys so much, besties. Bye. Toodles.